Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am doing a quick small VR video, and basically this one is going out for Donna powered by creativity. She is having a Julie Nutty tag swap on her channel. Basically what you do is, if you have a Julie Nutty, basically doll her up and put her on a tag and mail it to her. Now what she's gonna do, she is basically gonna take that tag. She's not even gonna open them or anything. All she's gonna do is basically, you send her the tag, she's just gonna go ahead and put a stamp on it and send it off to another fellow crafter that sent in a Julie Nutty tag. So that's easy, simple and easy, and so much fun. You don't have to send anything else but the tag. So please try to make it as flat as you can. If you do this, now it does have to be marked by the 31st of this month or the end of this month. I am not sending this one. I've actually already sent her out one or maybe two. So Miss Donna, if you're listening, make sure you open that envelope. I did put a note in the back, so do open it. Now I do have to say my first I have to apologize, Donna. I forgot to put a hole on him. I don't know, I was looking at this one and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to put a hole on it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I did not put a hole on the other ones. So anyways, I guess that's a task for you guys to do, whoever receives mine. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's been, I don't know, I can't say much, but anyways, so go over to Donna's channel. Again, it's Donna powered by, there you go, Donna powered by creativity. I will link her channel down in the description below, as well as the video on that tag. And it's so easy, simple, and you know, it's a nice way to meet new crafters, basically, and that's what we're trying to do: meet new crafters, see their creations, you know, have something different, you know. So everybody's style is so different. Some people are way advanced, some people are not, but it's okay because we're all learning, you know, we're all advancing. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and like I said, I will link her channel down in the description below, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.